Good morning, all of you. I am Rajiya Pathan from Gyanmanjari Vidhyapith, standard 3rd. So, students, today we'll start worksheet number 4, unit number 7. In that worksheet, word problems are there. So, how we'll find the word problems, that I'll show you here. So, students, addition word problems are there. Neha brought paint for rupees 220 and paintbrush for rupees 115. How much money did she spend in total? So in that, what we have to do, here we have to use Nado method. In that we have to follow the steps. Step number 1, first of all we have to find numbers and keywords. Find the numbers and keywords in the problems. So in that, let's underline the keywords in the questions. Let's underline the keywords in the questions. Neha brought paint for rupees 220 and paintbrush for rupees 150. How much money did she spend in total? Okay. Now this is the numbers and keywords. Now ask. What is the questions she asked? How much money did she spend in total? How much money did she spend in total? Okay. This is question. Now next one question is step 3rd. Step 3rd is draw. Draw to understand. So here we have to draw two boxes. In the one box we have to write 220 and second box we have to write 115. And here we do total. Operation. What is the operation? Which operation to use? Total is asked. We need to use addition. Total is asked. We need to use addition. Also from the drawing we can see that the total is the addition of the two amounts. Total is the addition of the two amounts. Now next step 5 is a solution. Solve and write the answers. So in that, here we have to write 220 plus 115. So in that 100 tens and ones is there. 100 tens and ones is there. In that we have to write here 220 plus 150. 0 as it is. 2 plus 5 7. 2 plus 1 3. So answer is thus Neha paid rupees 370 in the total. Got it everyone? Now look at the sums everyone and read it out once and write it down in your rough book. Okay students, I hope so your work is complete. Now we'll start next worksheet. Okay students, next worksheet number 5 is there. In that worksheet, subtraction word problems. In that, Anna has rupees 250 with her. She brought a book for rupees 140. How much money is left with her? उसके पास कितनी मनी है वो हमें यहाँ पे फाइंड करना है. ठीक है. सो इन दैट हियर वी हैव टू follow the steps. Step number 1, we have to find the numbers and keywords. So in that, Anna has a rupees 250 with her. She brought a book of rupees 140. How much money is left with her? In that, step number 2, ask what they asked to us. So they ask how much money is left with her. That is a question. Step number 3, draw is there. Draw to understand. So in that, rupees 215 left rupees 115. Operation. Which operation will use? Step number 4 is operation. Which operation will use? So in that, here will use how much is left is asked. We should subtract. This can be understood from the drawing too. Here we have to do subtraction. Okay. Step number 5, solution. So in that, here we have to write 100, tens and ones. Then we have to write here 215 minus 114. 0 minus 0, 0. 5 minus 4, 1 is there. 2 minus 1, 1 is there. So in that, correct answer is rupees 110 is left with Anna. Now look at this sums, everyone, and write it down in your notebook. Okay students, I hope your work is complete. Now we'll start next worksheet. Worksheet number 6, word problems. Worksheet number 6, word problem is there. Solve the following word problems in your notebook using the narrow method. Now in that, question number first is Rahul brought a shirt for rupees 230 and paint for rupees 525. How much did Rahul pay for these clothes? Okay, so in that, Rahul brought a shirt of rupees 230 and paint for rupees 525. How much did did Rahul pay for clothes? So in that, we have to solve these sums. Okay students, so here we start. Word problems. We'll start word problems. Okay. In that, first one question, we have to follow the step. Narrow method is there. Step 1, numbers and keywords. So in that question, number is rupees 230. Shirt, rupees 525 paint. Step 2. Ask. How much did Rahul pay for? How much did Rahul pay for his clothes? Step 3. Draw. So here we have to draw two boxes. 230, 525, last one for question mark. Okay, now step 4, operation. So here we have to do which operation will use here? Here we'll use that addition. Step number 5, solution is there. So here we have to write 230 plus 525. Then we have to write here 1000, 100, tens and ones, 230 plus 525, 5 as it is, 3 plus 2, 5 is there, 2 plus 5, 7 is there. Okay, so in that our final answer is how much did Rahul pay for his clothes? Rupees 755. Rahul pay for his clothes. Okay, this is the answer. Now first you have to look at these steps. Look at this step number 1 to 4th and write it down in your notebook. Okay students, now look at this. Okay students, now we'll start next sum. I hope so your work is complete. In the next sum, question is, Riya had rupees 150 and she brought apples for rupees 120. How much money did Riya left with? Okay, so in that second one sum, step number first, numbers and keywords we have to find. So in that rupees 150 Riya had, rupees 120 she brought apple. Step number second, ask. What they are asked? How much money is Riya left with? Okay. Step number third, draw. We have to write 150. In the second box we have to write 20. Okay, and here we have to do subtraction. What we have to do here? Subtraction. Step number 4, operation. So we have to use here subtraction. Step number 5 is a solution. So 115 minus 120. Here we have to write 100, tens, ones. 115 minus 120. 0 minus 0, 0. 5 minus 2, 3. 1 minus 1, 0. So answer, here we have to write the answer. How much money is Riya left with? Rupees 30 is left with Riya. Now look at these sums, everyone, and write it down in your notebook. Now look at these steps, everyone. And complete your work. Okay students, I hope so your work is complete. Now what is your homework is? Your homework is you have to complete the worksheet number 6. In that worksheet you have to complete the sum number A and B हमने किया है. Your homework is you have to complete the sum number C and D. Okay everyone, I hope so your work is complete. Complete your work and send the homework before 3 o'clock. Okay everyone, bye, have a nice day.